And why do I say it's old? You look at some of the features. If you look at the back of their ears, throughout the age, as it gets old, it keeps folding back like a curtain, and that's how you can determine their age. Yeah. So throughout their lifetime, they have 6 sets of molars, which will drop off each and every decade. The lifespan of an elephant could be 60 to 70 years. And when a set of molars comes in, it pushes the one that it finds, like a conveyor belt, pushes it forward, it replaces it. So now he could be pretty much on his last set of molars, and that's why he's taking care of it by coming to feed on the lush, softer grass by the river to at least buy him some time. They would die of starvation, the elephants. Yeah, that's why when they eat, they make sure first they clean with their trunk the grass, or bite only the top of the grass and leave the roots, which contain the mud. Yeah, very clever animals. Reaching for the juicy ones.
Is he aware that we're here? That's you.
Yes, he's aware of our presence. He knows we're here. And as long as you give them distance, because they are big animals, then you should be fine. Yeah. Closer is not always the best. Yeah, he's gorging himself.
Get a little deeper.
Yeah, that's fairly deep. You can even underestimate their size. Wow. Doesn't care the crocodiles, anything.
Right.
He knows he's too big.
But can they still bite?
No.
No.
With so much disturbance that they are causing in the water, crocodiles will just easily move off. Oh, prepare for a good shot as he